Sushi, you beautiful, delicate, delicious thing. It's not just food, it's an art form, a symphony of flavors and textures crafted with precision and care. From the moment those glistening pieces hit your palate, you're transported to a world of pure culinary joy. We're talking fresh fish, perfectly seasoned rice, and the magic touch of a skilled sushi chef. But today, we're cranking up the heat. We're diving headfirst into the sizzling, smoky, utterly irresistible world of grilled sushi with Grilled Sushi Set NR. First up, we've got the Kamikadze roll. This bad boy is not for the faint of heart. It's a fiery tango on your tongue, a whirlwind of spice and flavor that'll leave you gasping for more. Imagine succulent salmon, seared to perfection, and spicy tuna, all rolled up with a touch of sriracha mayo. And the heat? Oh, the heat. It's like a friendly kick in the pants, a wake-up call for your taste buds. But don't worry, it's not all fire and brimstone. The creamy avocado and cool cucumber provide a welcome balance, like a soothing balm after a spicy fiesta. But hold on a minute, before you go diving headfirst into this fiery delight, let's talk allergies. This roll contains fish and shellfish, so if you've got a fantastic allergy, steer clear. We don't want any culinary casualties on our watch. Next on our grilled sushi adventure, we have the Unagi roll. This one's a smooth operator, a sweet and savory serenade for your senses. We're talking tender, melt-in-your-mouth grilled eel, brushed with a luscious, sweet soy sauce glaze. It's like a warm hug for your soul, a comforting classic with a touch of smoky goodness. And let's not forget the rice. Perfectly seasoned and grilled to a light crisp, it adds a delightful textural contrast to the tender eel. It's all about balance, folks, and this roll nails it. Now, for our allergy-aware friends, listen up. This roll contains fish and shellfish, so tread carefully if you've got those sensitivities. We want everyone to enjoy the ride, but safety first, always. Tahara, a crunchy, creamy delight. Last but not least, we have the Tahara roll. This one's a real crowd pleaser, a symphony of textures and flavors that'll have you shouting encore. Picture this: crispy tempura shrimp, creamy avocado, crunchy cucumber, and a touch of spicy mayo, all wrapped up in perfectly grilled sushi rice. It's a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. The crispy tempura shrimp adds a satisfying crunch, the avocado brings its creamy richness, and the spicy mayo ties it all together with a touch of heat. And don't even get me started on the rice. Grilled to perfection, it adds a smoky depth of flavor that'll have you singing its praises. Now for those with allergies, pay attention. This roll contains shellfish, so if you're allergic, this one's a no-go. We don't want any culinary mishaps on our watch. Timing is everything. Now here's a little secret to truly enjoying grilled sushi. Timing is everything. You see, these rolls are best enjoyed fresh off the grill when the rice is still warm and the flavors are at their peak. Imagine taking a bite and experiencing the perfect harmony of textures and temperatures. The warm, slightly crispy rice, the tender, flavorful fillings, all coated in a luscious sauce. It's a culinary symphony that deserves to be savored in the moment. So, my friends, when you order your grilled sushi set NR2, be ready to dig in right away. Don't let those precious moments of culinary perfection slip away. Dive into the world of grilled sushi. So there you have it, folks. Grilled Sushi Set NR2, a culinary adventure that'll tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. From the fiery kick of the Kamikadze to the sweet serenade of the Unagi and the crunchy, creamy delight of the Tahara, there's something for everyone in this sizzling trio. Remember, life's too short for boring food. Step outside your comfort zone, embrace the unexpected, and dive headfirst into the wonderful world of grilled sushi. Who knows? You might just discover your new favorite culinary obsession. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try creating your own grilled sushi masterpieces at home? The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tasty content. Until next time.